than the usual. Well, it's time to say bye bye to Munnar. It's around 7 o'clock in the morning and we just left. Apparently our hotel was down the hill, so we have to walk like 15 minutes to get up where we have parked our bikes, and it is freaking tiring. All this beauty, we'll have to say bye eventually. The air is fresh. I mean, I have to say that. I was tired like just 2 minutes ago. Generally, I am panting for the next 5 to 10 minutes, but I'm already feeling freshened up. I'm assuming it's because of this air. All this. I mean, the view is just awesome. Wow. Fabulous, just fabulous. As we are going towards Munnar city, it's still getting a little cooler and cooler. Now it's kind of getting colder. I mean, it's on a higher level, the Munnar city. So it's kind of more colder than from where we were staying, down the ghats. Oh, it's just beautiful. I mean, trust me. As a rider, you have to visit here. It's that cold that our literally hands are starting to pain as we are getting towards Munnar city. Fortunately, I have wore my gloves, so it's not all that cold. Though I am still feeling cold even in my hands. He is not even wearing his gloves. His hands are completely numb. So we are going to the Munnar city. Probably a tea is gonna save our lives right now. But the place, you just have to give it to it. It is amazing.
Running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. Everything about you calling out to me. I got to hold you. Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. I'm a victim of love calling out to heaven above for you.
We just finished our little tea break. We had tea and few samosas. I had to put a little oil in my tank because it was making enough noise. So I just did that and now we are off. So it's bye bye Munnar and hello Mysore. Today is expected to be a 10-hour ride from Munnar to Mysore. So I just reset my trip to 0. So that will keep a track of how many kilometers we have finished. We are expected to do around 790 today. Not 790, sorry. We are expected to do around 390 today. So that's around 10 to 11 hours. Like we'll be stopping quite a while, like once we get tired or our butt start paining, which is a common thing right now. So it's around 10 hours, let's say 10 hours.
I can't get you out of my mind. Oh baby, every curve's like a new adventure, pulling me into the center closer. Yeah, baby, I'm not playing around. I mean every little word. I can't get you out of my mind.
Well, right now the temperature in Munnar is around 13. Last night it dropped to around 10, which was much worse. Then again, riding on the bike even in 13 is kind of worse, kind of rough. Apparently, Munnar is kind of popular with its homemade chocolates and tea. Tea is actually more popular out here, but there are homemade chocolates that are made here only and can be found here only, which last for around 20 days without being in a refrigerator, or at least that is what they claim. And they have like full confidence over it that it will last. So we have picked a few, probably to last us a week till we get to Mumbai. Probably, let's see. My hands have become like so cold that it's difficult to even pull the brakes and the clutch. It's like hurting. Well, no pain, no gain, guys.
Got me going crazy, can't control it, cannot see it all. Man. Oh. Don't fight it, baby. Oh, hey. Don't fight it, baby. Don't fight it, baby.
I mean, you see tea gardens everywhere, but for some reason, every time you see it, it just looks new and like it's beautiful. I mean, like you just cannot say it's the same thing.
Don't fight it, baby.
Oh, ho, ho. This place is a beauty. यहाँ पे तो एक ड्रोन शॉट बनता ही है.
Oh, yeah. Come on. Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. Everything about you calling out to me. I got to hold you. Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. I'm a victim of love calling out to heaven above for you. Don't fight it, baby. Don't fight it, baby. Baby, I'm not playing around. I mean every little word. I can't get you out of my mind. Oh, baby, every curve's like a new adventure, pulling me into the center closer. Yeah, baby, I'm not playing around. I mean every